Welcome to a short video showcasing the Open Science Lens Enhancer, simple integration process. Open Science Lens delivers a set of instruments that allow scientists, researchers, and the general public to easily locate and explore information of relevance to open science while navigating in the web. You can find information on Open Science Lens in www.opensciencelens.eu. Two approaches are supported depending on the desired usage. The client-based approach targets end users directly through the supported browser extensions. The server-based approach targets content providers, and indirectly, their end users through the enhancer. To use the Open Science Lens Enhancer in your site, you need to first register your domain and get an access key. Navigate to osl.site.gr and log in using the OpenAIRE identity provider. You can use any of the social login options, an institutional or an OpenAIRE account if you have one. After you have logged in, you will be able to register to get an access token for your domain. You can limit your registration based on the domain you will use it in and set the mail account of the user who will manage your registration. You can control a number of options that govern the presentation and functionality of the enhancer widget for your site. This includes the placement, presentation, and scanning functionality as well as how your site will interact with the browser extension, the badges to be placed in your site, and the information they will present. Here you can also use the configuration builder to specify patterns and rules to refine how the enhancer discovers information in your site, without needing to modify your website source code. After you have submitted your registration, it will require to be approved before you are able to use the access token generated for you. After your request has been approved, you can see that its status is no longer pending and you can continue managing your registration. You can edit your registration to modify the configuration of ALAB, the presentation options, as well as the rules and patterns that extract information from your site to be enriched. Once you have completed your configuration, you can download the enhancer settings and include them in your site integration. To demonstrate the integration, we will use a simple web page that includes persistent identifiers in the page links and text. We include a small script that adds the enhancer snippet and points to the configured settings, providing the access token generated for our registration. The site is now enriched with information drawn from the OpenAIRE Research Graph for the identified artifacts, available as badges within the page or in the side drawer. The option to include custom markup in your web page to further refine your integration can also be used supplementarily. You can continue refining the integration using the configuration builder pattern approach, or by adding custom markup in your HTML source code.